मेरे ऑफिस में ही रहेगा।
The next 5 years, all I can imagine myself doing is something crazy.
दुनिया बड़ी खराब है, सबसे भली शराब है।
I'll be roaming around the world.
जय 5 साल के बाद मैं ये टाइम पे अपनी रोल्स रॉयस से अपनी ताज होटल में उतरेगा।
क्या सचिन 5 साल साले अभी का पता नहीं और तू 5 साल की बात कर रहा है। पागल है चल।
After 5 years. After 5 years, I'll answer this question after 5 years. All right.
After 5 years, maybe I'll be in Libya only.
I will do my masters.
In 5 years, I hope to be in some university doing my MBA. Even though it doesn't seem like for an architecture student to do MBA, I'm really interested in business, so hopefully I'll be doing my MBA. And yeah, and after that, hopefully I'll be okay.
I keep eating Maggie at the canteen every day. I'm going to be so fat that I won't fit outside the door, so I'll be at home now.
टाइम पास ही होगा या फिर मुंबई की गलियों में घूमता रहूँगा।
प्लान ये है कि रेस्टोरेंट खोलना है 20-25 साल बाद कहीं पता नहीं, पर 5 साल के बाद कुछ आइडिया नहीं क्या करना है, जो मिलेगा वो करेगा बस पैसा।
After 5 years, I think after 5 years, actually I don't know. Must
किसी का ऑफिस में।
क्या? Probably dead. Dead?
We married in some metro city, I'm so sure.
Oh.
Really nice.
I'll be in Goa.
I'll be working in some firm and I'll be doing something mad, like something really fun. But
अरे पागल इसमें दारू पीने तो बोल एडी और क्या पड़ा वो लड़का।
I think in 5 years, I'll also be doing a master's, but definitely not in architecture and some designing course. Finding a hot Baba guy, definitely a Baba, because Gujjul are damn interesting. And no, Gujjul are damn interesting. Why? And besides that, I think I'll attend all your weddings because you're always getting married by that age after 5 years, 100%. Shivani is definitely getting married after 5 years.
she is not getting married.
And even this Urvashi Marwadi.
You're getting married.
She's going against Marwadi.
So I think, yeah, in 5 years I'll be doing some masters and then I'll be earning a lot of money so that my kids don't do architecture.
We're gonna watch this video. We're gonna watch this video in 5 years to see who's married. Yeah. In 5 years, we're gonna try if she's married or I'm married.
In any kind of architectural firm.
अरे मैं हार रहा है ना, अरे बीच में लाना, मैं हार रहा है। मैं 5 साल के बाद यहाँ पर NFS के लिए। हाँ?
I don't know.
I don't know. I have no. I'm confused.
Putting my hair out somewhere for sure. Mental asylum most probably.
एविन
We are wrong. I don't know.
मैं तो कहीं पे जाऊंगा आर्किटेक्ट प्रैक्टिस करूंगा जी। मैं तो बड़ा आर्किटेक्ट बनूंगा और बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग बनाऊंगा बढ़िया और मैं उसको लगाऊंगा, रूफ गार्डन भी लगाऊंगा, बहुत सारे पेड़ लगा के उसमें पत्तियां और फूल उगाऊंगा।
Most where architecture takes me.
We have to 5 years.
My dad's table and taking over his business.
Paid persons working my ass off. Maybe doing masters or working in something.
college is already like, I don't know what I'm going to do. A pair of Cristiano dance because I really want that. Like, really want that. And I hope I'm doing something good this time, you know. I think that's all.
After 5 years, probably I would like to learn more architectural theory, or I would like to practice with Ramkula.
Not thought about it that much, but if you go to see architecture, that's the base plan. After 5 years, I would try to get my specialization in interiors. I in landscape architecture, and I see myself working for some nice home.
After doing architecture, I'll go to Italy and I'll be a chef.
स्पेन जाने का मेरे को, स्पेन में रहने का मन, स्पेनिश बॉयज होते हैं, बहुत हॉट होते हैं।
बच्चों को मैं ये सिखाएगा।
ऑफिस में बैठे रहोगे या तो अपना आर्किटेक्चर हॉस्टल एंड जस्ट चिलिंग आउट एंड देन नो एक्चुअली वर्क ऑन दिस
5 साल के बाद पहले तो मैं 5 साल में आर्किटेक्चर कंप्लीट होने नहीं वाला, 2 साल ज़्यादा, मतलब 6-7 साल के बाद। 7 साल के बाद मैं सोच रही हूँ अपनी फैकल्टी के जैसे कॉलेज में ही आके सिखाऊंगी किसी को, और फिर उसके बाद अगर चांस मिला तो किसी के दूसरे फैकल्टी के साथ काम करूँगी, या फिर यहाँ पे कॉलेज में सबको सिखाने का, सब लोग के और 5 साल खत्म करने का।
ग्रुप का इंतजार तो क्लास का हर एक ग्रुप करता है, लेकिन ग्रुप को बताना कुछ नहीं है।
कि मैं अपने मॉम डैड के लिए राजकोट में एक बहुत अच्छा घर बनाऊँ और उनको उनके 25th एनिवर्सरी पे सरप्राइज
ये सब 5 साल के बाद मैं नहीं करने वाला है, समझा। 5 साल के बाद ऐसी चीज़ ही नहीं है यार, पागल है क्या? ये सब हो गया, अब निकाल दो। क्या है? हाँ, ऐसे कुछ नहीं करते। तू क्या करेगा बोल 5 साल के बाद? बोलना क्या कर लेगा तू? कुछ कर सकता है? नहीं। बोल, मैं ही तुझे पूछ रहा हूँ 5 साल के बाद क्या करेगा, बोल।
And like on a holiday. No, not in India, a holiday. So like a year long holiday. Would be I want to find the time to do. Why would you do an intern? After getting a job, you should get paid. Oh yeah, or like an awesome job. Paid you a lot. Yeah, like you can buy clothes. Fun job, where you can do fun things like and wear nice clothes. Yeah, you want that. Yeah, so you can buy it. No, you get free clothes. Yeah, free nice job. Yeah, go on. You go to Paris. You go to a bar. The mega bar. And you get mega drinks and mega chocolates. Mega drinks and mega chocolates. Mega drinks and mega chocolates. And all over. So fun. Yeah. Why you drink for like it's gonna be like this big huge salad. And everyone's invited. And the architect time there'll be like a small attachment to it, the architect's paradise. Yeah.
I'm just going to rest all my life long and I'm going to make paintings whenever I feel like getting up and painting. It's just going to sleep with and painting.
In 5 years time I'll be in Brazil, so if you want to find me in Brazil.
In the process of making my own office with being the senior architect and having many juniors under me.
I don't know. I think I will be in Switzerland.
कॉलेज में रहेगा, लेकिन एज अ स्टूडेंट नहीं रहेगा, फैकल्टी रहेगा।
Hey, I miss Krivya and you all a lot, and in the next 5 years I see myself back in my country practicing as an architect with you.